guys and girls, welcome back to the Kizer channel. My name is Vera. Before we start it, I want to ask you for a favor. Please give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much and I really appreciate your help. Without further ado, let's dive in. Today I'm going to review the Lieb. This small, lightweight and budget-friendly knife is designed by Kizer. As some of you may already know, Kizer is our long-term collaborator. His previous design, Begleiter, and the main are well perceived by the knife and EDC communities. As you can see, Lieb has 4 variations: Black G10, Jade G10, Brown Micarta, and our new launch with Light Brown Micarta. With its blue pivot color and light brown micarta scales, this one suits the fall season perfectly. Both of them are micarta, but comparing them side by side, I could tell the difference between them. The newest one, brown micarta handle, is smooth and flat, so you will feel better when holding this one. Here are some specs. The overall length is 5.75 inches. It's small enough to fit the coin pocket on your jeans perfectly. The weight is 2.7 ounces. The blade steel is N690, which is easy to maintain, so you'll be able to get a sharp edge without too much trouble. The blade style is a hybrid of one cleave and sheep foot, maybe sheep cleave. I like this blade shape because I could do some nice cutting like this. It's pretty much perfect for a wide range of tasks, like slicing or opening a particularly tricky package. 2.375 inches in the blade length. The blade thickness is 0.1 inches. The handle length is 3.5 inches. The handle width is 0.875 inches, and the handle thickness is 0.43 inches. It has a good action. It's snappy. It's like you are eating a crisp cucumber. Or if you have ever tasted potato chip jalapeno, that's the amazing feeling I'm talking about here. Since Halloween is coming soon, we are currently making Halloween special limited edition that you will absolutely love. Look at here. How amazing! Are you interested in this cute knife? Please leave your comments down below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I will see you soon. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to Kizer channel. This is Vera. Today's carry is another awesome front flipper design from Justin. The Lamb. The first impression of this knife is that it's a symmetrical and slender and definitely non-conventional design. Now let's dive in. The DeLame is inspired by Coffin Jack slip joints and the Plague Doctor. It has 2 variants, black and green. Here you can use the thumb and the index finger to open the knife. It's super friction-friendly from my opinion. Here are the specifications. The overall length is 6.73 inches. The blade length is 2.91 inches. The blade width is 5/8 inches. And the blade thickness is 0.12 inches. The handle thickness is 0.48 inches, and the handle length is 3.82 inches, and the weight is 2.4 odds. We can compare them with the files side by side. The blade style is reverse Tanto razor, so it can bring out stronger tip strength and decent penetrating power, while CPN 20CV dominates edge retention. Two-tone G10 handles and 5-slot inlay is becoming interesting things now. Size-wise, it can be an office knife. It feels smaller in the pocket and lighter than any other knife. It uses a top front flipper. That is a joy to play with. It has great flipping action that can be deployed with the index finger or thumb. So all in all, it's a pretty cool knife with some premium materials, and the size is able to be taken everywhere. What do you think of this knife? Leave your comments down below, and I will see you in my next video.